I wanted to start an online business, but I had zero budget and no technical skills. Hiring professionals was too expensive. Doing it alone felt overwhelming. Then I found 3 free AI tools that changed everything. Let me show you how I built my business system with no coding or design skills. First, I signed up for System.io. It's 100% free. I used its funnel builder to create a simple sales funnel. Then I set up an email automation to follow up with visitors. You can segment your list and track open rates easily. System.io became my business engine for free. With that set up, I needed great content to promote my offer. I used InVideo to turn my ideas into professional videos in minutes. Just type your script, choose a template, and you're done. It saves me hours of editing time every week. I can even make vertical videos for TikTok and Shorts easily. I also use Canva to design logos, thumbnails, and social posts. No need to be a designer, just drag and drop. With these 3 tools, I launched my online business from scratch for free. No more excuses. It's your turn to build something great. I've added the links below so you can start for free today. If this helped, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Now go build your dream.